Need help with your 501c3 tax exemption? You've come to the right place. The 501c3 tax-exempt status is a critical step for any nonprofit seeking donations. Having 501c3 status means the organization is not subject to federal corporate taxes. The nonprofit also saves on sales tax, postage, and other key benefits. Individuals and businesses willing to make a donation will only get a tax write-off if your nonprofit has 501c3 status. The good news is, most organizations that have a charitable purpose, which benefits the public, are eligible if they are structured correctly. Some organization types include churches, homeless shelters, pet rescue, thrift stores, counseling centers, daycares, youth sports, veteran services, medical research, food banks, scholarships, community centers, international charities, educational programs, and much more. Working with an experienced expert means faster approval, which means you can accept donations sooner. Some of our clients have been approved in less than 30 days. To get started, we offer affordable pricing, an easy pay plan, buy now, pay later program, and guaranteed approval. Best of all, because we serve as a nonprofit resource center, we can help you with services such as fundraising, grant writing, and more. No wonder well over 12,000 organizations have trusted CharityNet USA to help them. Avoid frustrations and costly delays. Let us help so you can focus on doing what you're passionate about. Contact us today for a free consultation and more information regarding our 501c3 services.